Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a landmark international document adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in December of 1948, commonly abbreviated as the UDHR and often called the Foundational Charter of Modern International Human Rights. It outlines fundamental rights and freedoms guaranteed to all human beings globally. What makes this document so historically and legally significant? Drafted in the aftermath of the Second World War, it established for the first time that fundamental human rights must be protected universally. The Declaration consists of 30 articles covering a sweeping range of human rights. First, it guarantees civil and political rights, such as the right to life, liberty, freedom of speech, and privacy. Second, it recognizes economic, social, and cultural rights, including the right to social security, education, and fair working conditions. While the Declaration is not a formal international treaty itself, its principles have deeply influenced common law and civil law systems worldwide. Across the United States, Europe, the United Kingdom, and Australia, its provisions have been woven into domestic constitutions, national legislation, and binding treaties like the European Convention on Human Rights. For example, imagine a government attempting to pass a law that strips minority citizens of their right to a fair public trial. Human rights advocates immediately challenge this enactment in both domestic and regional courts. In their legal briefs, the attorneys cite Article 10 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which guarantees full equality in public hearings by an independent tribunal. Although the declaration itself is aspirational, judges use its established principles to interpret binding international covenants and domestic constitutional guarantees. As a result, the court overturns the oppressive procedure, preserving the citizens' rights to procedural due process.